What's up, guys? We are back again, back with the Viper, and we have started pulling some more stuff out. So this would be day 2 of getting it torn down and putting it back together. Right now we already have the transmission out, which is sitting over more. So after that's out, now we're looking at the bell housing, clutch, flywheel, and then we'll be breaking the rods off of the crank there and pulling the mains off, and we should have a crank coming down here pretty soon. So got Mark here messing with everything, and of course, as per the usual, we're at Mark's Auto late working on this. Clutch looks crazy in there. Really wild that somebody made 1200 horsepower on the stock clutch, but we're not gonna have to do that. So luckily, guys, we have hooked up with Jeff at Manic Clutch, and they sent us out a triple disc centered urn clutch yesterday, which will be here tomorrow. Crazy. And that is our new sponsor for the car, and that clutch looks serious. So he said, and I quote, that it should hold anything that we throw at it. So we're definitely going to put it to the test, and we got a lot to throw at it. It's just right now it's crunch time. By the time you guys see this will probably be a few days from now, but as of right now, as today, we have about 2.5 weeks to get everything done, and this is where we are. So it's going to be a struggle, but we're gonna make it. We're gonna be there, we're gonna send it, and you will see it this year. As they come in, we will be putting them on immediately, dang near. So the plan for tonight is hopefully set the crank. If we can do that, we'll be definitely ahead of the game, and we'll just be waiting on the clutch and everything to come back, and we'll be good to go on that part. And then after that, the fun happens. So we're waiting on the brackets to get finished and anodized, and a few more parts anodized from Pro Speed, and the F1X Pro Charger will be here, and we also have an NX Express kit that will be coming. Hopefully we'll make it as well, and they are also a new sponsor, so need you to check all these guys out. I will leave links in the description below for Manic Clutch, for NX Express, for every person that is actually set foot in helping us get this project together. You know, Cody Phillips, Antonio Calvo, we've had Chris and Joe at Pro Speed, we got Motec here now, and he has that in his hand right here. So we got the Motec M150 from Cody Phillips, and that should solve all of our tuning dilemmas that we were going over with possibly going with HP tuners. So no more HP tuners. We bit the bullet. We stepped it up. We bought the Motec. We are in business. It's full send. The Viper should do what it's supposed to do, and that is deliver the Gapplebees fresh, never frozen. And stock block. Yes. So, but we're gonna get after it, and I'll get y'all a few shots in between here and there of what we got going on tonight, but we're finna bust it and definitely get this thing together. So, see y'all in a minute.
I hate how this air hose makes noise.
I wonder where I cap out. Everything down here. Got everything off. we got the new crank in, and all of our mains are torqued right now. Right now we are working on the rod caps, looking at some torque specs and get these AR 2000 bolts in here, and we will be good to go. Bottom end will be great. The new oiling system, new bearings, and new crank. Getting prepared for this boost. Yeah. Just got a few more caps to go. Woo! It is now 12 o'clock. It is midnight, and we have just finished the bottom end on the Viper. So we got our new crank in. This one. Got the new crank in, new bearings, rod and main. Everything is together, and we're gonna call it a night on this episode here. So tomorrow we get the new triple disc from Manic Clutch, and we will put that in and hopefully get the transmission stabbed and everything tomorrow, and start back assembly on the front cover, and then we wait on the Pro Charger. So have y'all here every step of the way. This is the road to 2K. We are trying to make it. So peace out.